Hello students, today we are going to start tracing of polar curves. So let's take one point P x comma y. So you can see this distance is x, this distance is y. Now in polar coordinates we are going to deal with this r and theta. So this OP distance is r, and from this diagram if you apply Pythagoras theorem then you can see that r square is equal to x square plus y square. So r square equal to x square plus y square, and that's why we can write r equal to root of x square plus y square, and x equal to r cos theta. So from this diagram you can observe that r is equal to x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. This implies tan theta is equal to y by x, and therefore theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. That means r is equal to root of x square plus y square and theta equal to tan inverse y by x. They are polar coordinates. Now let's see some notes. First point, x square plus y square equal to r square. Now you know that this represents a circle with center at 0, 0 and radius r. This is, you can say, standard circle. Next, x square plus y square equal to 2ax. Now in polar coordinates we can write this as this x square plus y square is r square and 2a into x. X is r cos theta. Therefore, this r is equal to 2a cos theta. This one of this r will get cancelled with this square. You will left with r is equal to 2a cos theta. Now see the adjustment x square. This 2ax I have shifted at LHS minus 2ax. Adjustment of a square and a square plus y square as it is. So this first three terms, x square minus 2ax plus a square, this is nothing but perfect square of x minus a, plus y square we can write this as y minus 0 bracket square is equal to a square. Now this will represent a circle with center at a comma 0, with center at a comma 0 and radius a. So you can see the diagram. This is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2ax, having center at a comma 0 and radius a. Similarly, x square plus y square is equal to minus 2ax. Now you can take the same adjustment as that of last example. In polar coordinates it will be r is equal to minus 2a cos theta, and this represents the circle with center at minus a comma 0 due to this negative sign and radius a. So you can see this diagram, center at minus a comma 0 and radius is a. Third one, x square plus y square is equal to 2ay. In polar we can write this as r is equal to 2a sin theta. This will represent a circle with center at 0 comma a and radius a. So this is the required circle with center at 0 comma a. Next is x square plus y square equal to minus 2ay, or r is equal to minus 2a sin theta. This will represent a circle with center at 0 comma minus a and radius a. So this is the required circle with center at 0 comma minus a. Now in polar coordinates, whenever r equal to constant, this equation is given to you. This will represent family of concentric circles with center at origin. See, in this diagram you can see that if r is equal to 1, then this will be the circle, say. If r is equal to 2, this will be the circle. R equal to 3, this will be the circle. R equal to 4, this will be the circle. So in general, r equal to constant represents family of concentric circles having center at origin. If theta equal to constant is the given equation, then this represents family of straight lines passing through origin, because theta means angle made by that straight line with x-axis. So suppose x is equal to 10 degree, then this will be the line. X equal to some 25 degree, then maybe this will be the line. X equal theta equal to 90 degree, then this is the line, and so on. So in general, theta equal to constant represents family of straight lines passing through origin.